How to fix Marley Spoon a subscription charge error. Here, the very first thing you want to do is review your invoice details. What you're going to do is simply log into your Marley Spoon application, and then from here you can actually get into order in order to verify if the extra charges were due to premium receipts or add-on or even the extra portions, right? So after doing that, secondly, you can actually check cut-off dates. For that, you'll need to verify whether the modifications or the cancellations occurred before the weekly skip or edit decline or the edit deadline, and check that out, right? So after doing all of these, if it's not working, then try to contact your customer care. You can actually get into the help center on your application. You can tap on your profile where you will be able to get into help center, tap on contact us. You can actually directly call the Marley Spoon support, where you can now provide your screenshot proof of your skip confirmation or original billing setup for agent to issue a direct refund, and I'm pretty sure that way you'll be able to fix this issue.